Yo, it's been a minute, but I'm back. Gonna keep this thing consistent from now on. I got my account situation fixed. I got me account now with Interactive Brokers, and I've been trading in it for a little bit, but I just been lazy on the videos and reviews, but no more. I wanted to get on yesterday with some technical difficulties I couldn't, and I want to go over my options trades for yesterday, and then later on I'm gonna go over for the ones today. Couldn't make this video yesterday because I had some technical problems I need to take care of. But AMD, right out the gate. Right out the gate, I liked it because it gapped up, of course, and wanted to see what it did at open. And look at this. All the lines crossed right at open. MACD and LBR and all that. Everything was looking nice for a pullback. I was expecting this gap down. Nice gap down under this level. Bam, under 44 bucks. Could have went down to 42. So I got into an option. I got into a put, actually. Put was 44. Put for 120 bucks, 120. And as soon as it reversed, I couldn't even put a stop loss in. Put a stop loss in right after they got some kind of something going for 88 bucks. Stopped out. Which was kind of, I don't know, should have just switched my mind and went long on the play, but market was up huge that day and everything, nice gap up and all that, but I was feeling a put and it reversed so quick I didn't even put my 20% stop loss in. That's what the daily looked like that day. I was hoping for this 44 to break and just 42, back to 42, but didn't happen. Overall, okay with the trade. Just could have got out a little earlier, but it doesn't matter. Also made a play on SPY yesterday, which was pretty much a similar story. This is the candle for yesterday, and I based both of these on the 5-minute. See, same exact movement, crossed and reversed right away before I could even get out. The AMD loss was 26%, and the SPY loss is 27%, which wasn't that bad. It's kind of like my parameters. All the losses I'm willing to take. Also gap up. AMD gapped up because SPY was gapping up and everything. I was expecting this move down. Same kind of move, same kind of everything. Just reversed right on me. Same type of thing. And the next play was Uber. Uber was interesting too, man. It's been gapping up too and everything, going up. Perfect on a 5-minute for an entry. All lines crossed with LBR, and MACD. Everything crossed right here into the afternoon. A little bit, not in the afternoon, but late in the morning. And also SPY showed weakness at the same time. Checked out 1 meter and seen lower highs clearly in place. So overall, a decent move. I got a 24 put right here. Ended up stopping out for a minimal loss because this thing was just grinding right here. This was where I was in, and it was grinding. Well, mistake was I got a put option 3 days out, and my overall thesis was correct. I seen even on the 1 minute there was higher low, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs putting in, which I'll show you right here. And then it started reversing after a while, right here. Lower highs, under VWAP and everything. And my overall theory was correct. It's just I got a put that was too far out of the money. 24 was too far away with 3 days out. Therefore, if I would have got the 25 put or the 24.50, I'm not sure if they have 24.50, but the 25 put, it was a lot more volatile. At the same time, I could have got quick profits in, got out. But at this time, I only had like 40, 50 bucks to work with. So that's another big hurdle for the small account and a cash account, you just can't have as many positions as you'd like, or reverse positions and get out of one, go long, and then go short. And it's just too much. I don't have that much kind of money, but one day, I hope. But overall, this trade was amazing. AMD, I'm not even. It's not AMD and SPY options were good plays. It just reversed way too quick. Also, the 30-minute on this crossed, I remember now too. After the 15-minute and 30-minute, it was just a nice ass play. Was it the 30-minute? Or was it? It was the 10-minute, I believe. This was yesterday, so yeah, it was starting to cross right here on a 10-minute too. It was just looking nice. I could have made some decent profits, but ended up stopping out for a minimal loss of $4, 8%, because it was just grinding me to death. So I was like, just get out, which was the correct move because it reversed and went all the way up and then gapped up today too, which brings me to today's play. Uber puts at open, got in for 89, out for 110 for a quick buck. Wasn't even in it that long. Waited for all of this consolidation to gap up. Had me interested, of course. Then all of this consolidation, or not even consolidation, these moves right here had me interested. Waited for it. Boom. Crashed right here. Crossed all lines. Waited for it like a sniper. LBR, MACD, all that reversing. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. Made 23%. Put in a trailing stop loss too, just cause $3 out, and stopped me out fairly quickly after that. Real happy with that. This was also 2 day out. 2 days out expiration. So that was the options plays. Let's get into the regular stock plays I made. I made a couple. ONCS. ONCS was a pre-market play that I should have not held it into the open. And this was some coronavirus news, and I just wanted to get it on this big bounce right here. Got in. I was just doing all this. I never like holding anything like this into the open, and I stopped out over here. Like 208. What is a small loss? I'll call this a reactive trade. Virus news with a nice daily chart. Let's see what I got going on over here in the daily. Yeah, it ran like 2 days, before this. It ran huge. And I was thinking over this $2, you could go up here again, but I guess it didn't. I was figuring maybe it got some short stuck now, this and that, but wasn't to be. Caught it early. It was breaking over VWAP, which is right here. Caught it early, breaking VWAP. Just no continuation on it. These coronavirus plays just seem played out. I think took a 7.8% loss after it flushed off the open, which I'm real happy with. Could have turned to a major loss, but it's all good. Next move I did is Acre yesterday. Yep, got in at. Was trending up all day. I wanted to get in on a high of daybreak for a possible shot at 6, which was right here. Got in right here. Got in a little late though at 269 all the way up here. And then all of this happened and I wasn't confident. Stopped out. I only wanted it because of the high daybreak, which is sort of reacted. The daily didn't look that bad either on this, I'm sure. Yeah, most volume it's seen in a while. And it's just been gap fill to 6. I was hoping gap fill to 6 was possible, but today it ran again, but I didn't look at it today. Overall, it was worth a shot at the 6 level. 580, 550, 5 cents to the 6, but it didn't work. 5% loss, not bad. Alright, and today's play was Tops. Man, Tops was just frustrating. I got in this pre-market. My first entry was right off in here after I seen 1.3 million under offer get taken out real quick, like super quick. So I knew 35 was a key area, and it consolidated right here, flush to VWAP. I actually got another 100 shares in right here, taking my average down to 35.27, which I was super happy with, and held it, seeing what was going on. This didn't have any news out or anything, not that I know of. It was just a shipper taking off, which, yeah, no news, no nothing going on. And I wanted to hold it and see what's up, but I wanted to put a stop loss in right here. But since it's pre-market, I don't know the platform that well. I fat fingered and stopped out right away. And as you can see, I would have been in profits. But took another small L, 4.5, $4.50, 4.5%. Not too bad though. Overall, happy with my trading. Gonna be a lot more consistent videos and everything else trading afternoon and uploading and all that. So until next time, peace.